So the time is somewhere around 16:45. I went out to buy a snack. बेंच एक तो लेट उठा. वो who was on that yellow dress? वो लेडी पीछे नहीं छोड़ रही है यार. I went near the nearest shop. I had a tea. Then I went in the market. That lady in the blue, no yellow, lady in yellow top, yellow, the big what they wear till the knee. What it's called? Kurta. Huh. So she was in the market. I went further. I went near the Experience Mall. That breakfast thing was off. So by a nearest stall, I took my breakfast. Then I came back. While entering, I saw that lady again in front of me in yellow. So I circled the building and came back again from here. So she didn't enter the building. I have seen her in building. She didn't enter, and she came towards me again. So what the fuck was that? Mention. मैं भेजो ये पीछे जुड़ाने के लिए भेजो दूर दूर जा रहे हैं. मेरे को लगा लेट देम पास. If they want to enter the building, I don't want to enter the building at the same time. Let them pass. But she didn't enter the building. She just went. I took a turn and I saw that she's heading towards me again. Near the Bola guard was there. So I called out for Bola. Bola is also not there. I don't know where is he. So. Look, I don't know what is happening, but I only want to say this. This is a normal thing. The defamation thing is a normal thing, but don't get into any kind of race shit. I'm telling you again. Don't get, क्योंकि मैंने वो कल भी एविडेंस डाला है. वो सब एक साथ है. सब एक साथ है. सिर्फ पब्लिक को भड़का के रख दिया है. Don't get into race thing. Don't get this. You will distribute, what do you call it? You will put this thing on your own life. Don't get into the race thing. What do you call it? A cage. You will cage your life this way. You will set a wall against this race. You will set a wall against this race. So if you will set a wall against every race, then you are inside that four walls, the walls which you created around you. I think this is bad. Don't get into the race thing. And Amazon wants to. I saw that Amazon wants to do what paperwork? What? Didn't get the reports. Why Amazon stopped it? Why Amazon stopped from entering police into the building? Why? Go fuck yourself. Why did they make my nudes? Why hidden camera is capturing why my front camera is capturing me? Why? What kind of paperwork? What? What documents? What? I got that notification something. The pop-up they keep on sending me about that Jeff. What I got to do with that cunt? Huh? Fucking. So, the matter is that garbage stopped the investigation stopped the police from entering my house and checking the devices. Stopped the forensic report. Now what he got to do when his warehouse is at stake now? It's gonna get burned because bank fraud is happening everywhere and his name is exposed. What is gonna do? What paperwork? What documents? There is nothing he could do now. Why did he didn't let the police work? Why did he stop the police from working? Police should have worked, na Baba. Why did he stop? He had lot of money. Now say people are up to burning that money now because it's a bank fraud money. I mean, eat shit, cunt.